Stop.
Woo. They're coming. They're coming. Slowly but surely. Too heavy, the water? Now, this is as far as I can go. That shit heavy as hell. You see that? Yeah. Woke up before the daylight. Out here. Let's go, boys. Woo! Woo! Let's go, boys. We got us some 2 boys and a baby girl in my world from the start. Hey, we about to catch a fatty. Everything I do in life is to damn that hurt. Oh shit. Me and the fish is down. Me and the fish is down. Man down, man down. Oh, that. Just some peace for a while. Yeah, I'm good. Ooh, I busted my knuckles up, bruh. Ooh. I'm okay, Bubba. Slow down, Bubba. I'm okay. I'm okay. Slow down, Bubba. Slow down. I'm okay. Thank you, baby. I'm okay. Yeah, I'm okay. Thank you, baby. Oh, thank you so much. You gonna help me? We caught a fish, boy. We caught a fish. And we busted our knuckles. So excited. I gotta slow down some. Thank you, baby. And keep that right there. The fish in there. Look. Some days I catch fish, some days I just think. Watching all the colors of the sky start to sink. Learning from the locals, still got plenty to learn. Every side that changes, got another page to turn. Got the boys beside me sharing stories and laughs, talking about the hard times and the good ones that passed. Out here on the shoreline where the worries get small, just a fisherman praying when he hears nature call. Feel him on the end of the line? In the water. You feel him? Wife and kids at home. First live bait going out, boy. Live bait on the line, boy. Hey, Chris said he ain't playing no games, boy. Let's go. Let's go. I'm gonna go hook the fish. Hey, you got something? Or is that the did you just get some bites? Now finding peace in a simple enjoyment. Ride in my hand, got the waves on repeat. 808 in my chest with the sand on my feet. Still learning these knots, still learning these tides. Got Elijah and Tiff showing me the local side. Ain't trying to be perfect, ain't trying to be the man. Just a dad chasing moments, doing the best. Wading back to our stuff, and something took my bait. He's under the water. Bubba, I got something. I got something, Bubby. Just building a legacy attached to my name. Yeah? So when they look I got something, Bubby. They'll know where the gas was love for the family. That was an accident. Like, I wasn't even trying to catch this thing. I don't know what I got. I think I might got an eel. Bubba, back up some.
I watch, okay?
You watch?
Yeah.
Okay, you hold the camera.
Okay.
Don't let it get in the water, okay?
Okay. Whoa, gee, water. Huh?
Let me pull up that line. Oh, it's an eel.
What you say, Jake? I will.
Hey. Yeah, boy. Oh, yeah.
I see Nick.
But we still outside.
I want that, Jake.
The tug is the drug, baby. It's all I need. Been a whole damn week, and I still ain't seen a fish. The tug is the drug, baby. Keep me coming back. Only thing I caught lately is a tan and a snake. No bites, no look.
Ooh, I got these big rocks on my shoe.
Come on, Bubba. Let's go.
And I can't
Yeah.
get ain't caught a fish and I'm still back on the ground.
Yeah.
Got a rod in my hand and a bad feeling. This time, sun ain't up yet. I'm already by the shore. Doing the
Hold up.
same
There's
damn
an eel.
thing that didn't
Back up.
work before.
Back up. Go that way.
Same old result. Fish got me questioning every life choice.
Come
Everybody
this way.
online holding monsters in the air. Meanwhile, I'm celebrating.
Daddy!
Come this way.
Dad, do wow!
Look at the fish.
Better than me at this rate. Got sand in my shoes and sunscreen on my face. Whole day went by and I ain't hooked a thing. But I keep showing up like I got something to prove. Casting confidence even when I lose. Cause one heart took in a race, 7 bad days. That's the sickness we all got anyway. The tug is the drug, baby. That's all I need. Been a whole damn week and I still ain't seen a fish.
Yeah, you got my shirt?
The tug is the drug, baby. Keep me coming back. Only thing I call lately is a tan and a snake.
Oh! What was that, bro? Put it on video. Oh, my phone's about to die. I gotta turn the video off, guys. Real quick. Bubba, going through here. Oh. Come on, Bubba. You up, Bubba? Let's go. Okay. This way, Bubba. Watch your step. Put the phone down.
Got the perfect weather and the fish still hide. I swear they got meetings when they see me arrive. Probably y'all underwater saying, watch this guy. My wife said, baby, did you catch one dance? Said, no, but I got a good tan on the way. At this point, I'm just fun to fish vacations. Making monthly donations to the local population. Everybody laughing, but they know it's true. Cause every fisherman done paid their dues. You can get skunked off, we can still come back. Cause the tug got a hold and it ain't letting go. And when it finally happens, when that rod bends low, everybody
That's
knows.
cool with you.
Yeah?
That's
No
cool.
better feeling.
Come? You want me to
Yeah.
come with you?
Yeah.
Alright, let's go.